Alright folks, this is my cat. The cat's name is Daisy. The reason why I'm making this film about the cat is because I want to test out 4K 24 frames per second. And I'm trying to figure out what kind of filming I'm going to use for this channel. So now we're doing some hyper smooth 4K 24 frames per second. And we're just documenting the life of this little cat real quick. She needs more food. I'm gonna give her more food soon. But yeah, come here, Daisy, come here. Come on. Come here, girl. Come on. Seriously. You're supposed to do things. Here. Walk up here. Do some stuff. Here's some artwork that August made. Right there. And my beautiful face. That's some 4K 24 dog. 24 frames per second, man. This is my life when I'm not making videos. Here's a picture I took with the drone, if y'all want to see that. Here, do an action thing. Oh. Don't worry guys, she's alright. Okay, that was good. Do another one. Alright, well, if anyone's curious, I guess I'll post this as a GoPro Hero 9 test 4K 24 frames per second, and we'll see how it looks. I don't really know what else to really do in here to test this thing out. I mean, how do you test it? They say that 24 frames per second, if anyone's curious, came from the fact that they used to shoot film in 24 frames per second, and supposedly it's supposed to be the natural frame rate for our eyes to see. So when you go to the movie theaters, most movies are shot in 24 frames per second, okay? The 4K is just basically a way more pixels in the image than like 1080p. I was a little bit disappointed with the footage I got today because I shot in 1080p, and when you blow it up on the TV, it just doesn't look as crisp. You also have the option with a GoPro to shoot in 2.7K, all right? And that's a beautiful thing right there as well, but you can only shoot 60 frames. 60 frames per second, it seems to give a lot of problems for people with iPhones. They don't like to load 60 frames per second on YouTube very nice. So we're gonna try some 24, see what happens. I'm kind of trying to figure out if I wanna do 4K 24 or 4K 30 frames. So let's post this up and see what you guys think. Let me know. Please leave some comments. Let me know what you think I should shoot my videos in. I have the GoPro Hero 9, and also it has like 4 different modes of height, of the smoothness. It's got like, I think it's called hyper smooth or whatever. It's got the smooth on, it's got extra smooth, and then it's got like boost smooth, which is the most. So let me know what your experience is with the smooth as well. Anyhow, we're gonna get out of here. Peace out.